In this tutorial, I will show you how to get back archive emails on Outlook. So as you can see right now, I'm in my inbox and let's archive this email. And here you can see the email successfully moved to my archive folder. Now let's go to archive folder and here you can see all of my archive mails. Now to unarchive any mail or to move any mail from archive to inbox, all you have to need right click on the mail and just click on move and click on other folder and move the selected items to all you have to need go ahead and expand the email in which email inbox you want to move the archive mail. So here I'm selecting this email and selecting this inbox, clicking on OK, and here you can see the archive email has been moved to this inbox. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.